Hey guys, this is KD and welcome to your Smart GPU2 tutorial series. In this video, I'll be showing you how to print simple strings on your Smart GPU2. Very simple function which I have incorporated in this thing. So to begin with, the earlier part of the program remains the same. Coming to the void loop. Okay, now we can set the color of the text. So here we go, lcd.set text color. Remember, the T is in caps, C is in caps, and the whole color needs to be in caps as it is pre-declared in the library. You can also set the font size. Now this is not font O, this is font 0, font size 0. Now the font size can range from 0 to 13 in the Smart GPU2, as I have mentioned, 0 to 13 in the Smart GPU2 library. I think so. Here we go. Here is our font definition. So font 0 to font 13, these are all the font sizes available in your Smart GPU2. Coming back to the program, so here goes the main function, lcd.string 0, 0, max underscore x underscore landscape, max underscore y underscore landscape, and here is your string and here is a 0. Okay, now let's get to the explanation. What is this 0, 0? This is the x and y coordinate from where you want to begin printing the string. So this shall be the starting point of your screen. This is the maximum x coordinate in the landscape mode. So in the landscape mode, the x coordinate shall be 320, that is your width of the screen, and your y coordinate shall be 240. So as we are using a 320 by 240 touch screen, so 320 240, and here is a string you will be printing inside double quotes, and here comes a 0. Let's find out what this 0 stands for. Okay, where is my string function? Here go the geometric functions. Okay, string functions. Here are the string functions. The first one is put letter. You can give the x and y axis from where you want to start printing the letter, a single character, and an axis. Print number, you can give a floating point number. Okay, here is our main function, axis, 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 axis. As I explained earlier, this is the starting coordinates. This is the maximum width and height in the landscape mode. Here is the character array. Now the last thing is number of bytes. Okay, what have they written in the comment? Returns in number of bytes the successfully printed characters or letters. So it gives integer value in number of bytes, how much characters or letters have been successfully printed on the Smart GPU2. String SD, you can give the file name and all those things. You can set the text color, text back color, the text size, set text backfill. All those things are easily available in the Smart GPU2 library, so you can easily use this function. The only thing you have to use is lcd dot, and the next thing you will be using is copy pasting is all these things, as simple as that. So coming back to our program, what basically happening over here is we'll be setting the font color to yellow. Firstly, the font size shall be 0. Then we'll be printing numbers from 0 to 9. We'll be giving a delay, then increasing the font size. Then 0, 15. So it will be like moving in the negative direction of the y-axis. So let's say a next line or a new line, 0, 15. The same string shall be printed, increasing the font size by 1. So here we will be writing font size 2. Again, we want a new line, so we'll be increasing the y coordinate gradually. Font size 3, same string printed, increasing the y coordinate. So these numbers will be printed one after the other on a new line, but in an increasing font size. This shall continue till font 6. Then we are giving a delay of 3 seconds, erasing the whole screen, lcd.erase. This is a master function. lcd.set text color green. So our color is now changed to green. So this time we'll be printing less number of characters, that is 0 to 7. Font size to 8, 0 to 6, again increasing the Y coordinate, printing it on a new line. Now till font 9 we'll be printing in color green, coming to color blue, font size 10, and we'll be only printing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, giving it a delay of 2 seconds. LCD.erase. Okay, so that's all in your program. Let's upload this thing and see how it looks. Okay, so here we go. The next was green, and the next will be blue in font size 10. Again starting in, so this shall be font size 0, 1, 2, 3 till 7. As simple as that. Now let's type program of our own. So I'll be needing all these things in my new program. Okay, my new program, void loop. Okay, I need to set the text color. I need all this. Okay, I want to write my string in red color. Font size shall be 5. Okay, starting point of my string, interesting. I would like to begin my string from 50, 50, and cheers to the company who sponsored the Smart GPU to me. Let's type in the name of this company, Visic Technologies. Okay, let's compile this thing. Okay, now let's upload this thing. There we go. Okay, now what happened is the font size is kind of big, so the processor couldn't adjust that complete string, that huge string, in one line. So I'm gonna go ahead and reduce the font size to say 1 and re-upload. Is it helping? Yes. Here we go. Perfect. So you see, printing alphabets, letters is kind of very easy. I mean, simple Arduino programs. So in my next video, I'll be showing you how to take touch interface from your user with the help of 2 examples. It will be Paint and Paint Pro. So stay tuned and thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.